Service uh, with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about nested loop. So for this one, we want to talk especially with nested while loop. So what's happened is like we were having a loop inside another loop. So let's run it first and see what happens. Okay, this is the output. So what's happening is like we have 0 here passed to index variable, and then we're checking if the index is less than 15. So we're gonna do whatever is inside here. So first of all, we print this one, and then which is exactly the 0 on the top here, the first line. Then we go here, we do kind of the exact operation like we did from outside, because this is inside. So we print yes, yes, and index each side. Whenever the index is less than 3, then we're going to keep printing and then keeping adding 1 here, incrementing it. This one is similar to this one. It's like incrementing, just adding 1. So that's why you see yes, yes, 0 at 0, yes, yes at 1, yes, yes, and 2 right here. So that's the first time. And it's gonna keep doing this 3 times for one loop of the bigger loop. So the outside loop is gonna run 15 times. So that's why we have since we started with 0, we have 14 here, but each time we're doing 0 1 2 0 1 2 from the inside loop, and this is from the outside loop. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye now.